The fundamental unit of life, cell. Cell is the lowest level of organization. It is capable of performing all the activities of life. The cell has a very special place in the history of biological organization. All the organisms are composed of cells. The cells occur in two forms. In either case, the cell is basic unit of structure and function in organisms. Unicellular cell occurs singly as a great variety of unicellular organisms. Multicellular, they occur as subunits of organs and tissues in animals and other multicellular organisms. Discovery of cells. First, Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke was an English scientist. He observed a slice of cork bark from an oak tree under his microscope. That microscope magnified 30 times 30x. Thus, he first time described and named the cells in 1665. He believed that these tiny boxes or cells were present only in cork. Hooke never realized the significance of his discovery. Anton van Leeuwenhoek, he discovered microscopic organisms under his microscope. These organisms were single-celled. He used grains of sand as a lens in his microscope. He polished these grains and formed magnifying glasses. The magnifying glass was as powerful as 30x. Leeuwenhoek discovered a microbial world in a drop of water. He also observed the blood cells and sperm cells of animals. Matthias Schleiden and Theodor Schwann, they were two German biologists. Schleiden and Schwann summarized their own and other microscopic studies. They concluded that all living things consist of cells. It formed the basis of the cell theory. Cell theory is defined as the bodies of an organism are composed of cells and cell products. This theory was later expanded. It was included the idea that all cell comes from other cells. The ability of cells to divide to form new cells is the basis for all reproduction, growth, and repair of multicellular organisms such as humans. Cells as unit of structure and function. Cell is unit of structure and function. Cell is building block of bodies of organisms. It forms the basis of organization of the bodies of the organisms. Cells are organized to form tissue, organ, and organ system. Unicellular organism, only cellular organization exists. Their body is composed of single cells. The cells perform all the activities of the organism. Multicellular organization, the cell form tissue and organ level of organisms. The cell in each tissues or organs perform their function individually. For example, in muscles tissues, all the muscle cells contract and relax separate. Collective efforts of all the muscle tissues produce contraction in the muscle, indicate that cell is also a unit of function. Cell as a unit of evolution. The formation of complex organisms form simple organisms through gradual changes is called evolution. Cell is also a unit of evolution. The organism have common region. The common region is present in the form of simple cell prokaryotes. It is believed that all other complex organisms formed from this simple cell through evolution, adaptation, and variations produced at cell level. These adaptations and variations form the basis of natural selection. Natural selection is mechanism of evolution. Therefore, cell is the basic unit of evolution. Ultrastructure of cell. Electron microscope was discovered 50 years ago. Electron microscope, the revolutionized the study of cells. It has revealed ultrastructure of cell. Infractional technique is also used to study different organelles of the cell. There are three main parts of the cell: cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. First of all, we discuss the cell membrane. All cells are enclosed by a membrane. This membrane regulates the passage of materials between the cell and its surrounding, like mitochondria, Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, etc. These organisms may be granular like ribosome or membranous bound like mitochondria. Membrane bound organelles are absent in prokaryotic cells. Nucleus. Every cell contains DNA. It has a heritable material. It contains cells, many activities. DNA is present in nucleus in eukaryotic cells, freely dispersed in the prokaryotic organelles.